Welcome to the majestic and beautiful north coast of Sicily, a place where you can relax, remember your dreams, or create new ones. Ciao, benvenuti, and welcome back to our channel.
You know, we've gotten a lot of comments from you, both in the comments as well as in emails, and many of you have requested to see homes in our beautiful area on the north coast of Sicily with a little bit of land, because you have this part of your dream is to have a garden, maybe some olive trees. And today we're going to show you a property that has some beautiful land with some stunning mountain views.
Buongiorno, Carlo, Gia, and fellow YouTubers. My name is Scott, and I wanted to reach out and thank Carlo for helping Karen and I purchase a vacation property in Tusa, Sicily. Without Carlo's boots on the ground support, we honestly would not have taken a chance on purchasing such a property. Really, we would still just be dreamers. The several WhatsApp meetings that we had with Carlo helped make us comfortable with the process. He was always quick to provide answers and gain any information that we needed. Also, Carlo, we want to thank you for being there to take care of the compromesso on our behalf, which saved us valuable vacation time. We can't wait to share Casa La Rosa with our family and friends in November. I'll see you in September for the final signing, Carlo. Ciao for now.
Living in town has its advantages. However, living in the country nearby can be a beautiful thing. Well, are you ready for an adventure? We're about to enter the property known as Casa Orsolina. So at this point, we're about to walk towards the house. We've entered the security gate, and the terrain has not yet been cleaned with the weed whacker. They tell me it's going to be done, but if you're the fortunate one who's able to purchase this property, we'll put it in the offer that in fact it must be cleaned before taking title. Well, for those of you with vision, wait till you see the amenities that this property holds. Now we're about to enter the top floor of Casa Orsolina, and this was a project that was started by a couple, and the dear lady's husband, she's the seller, her husband passed away from cancer a couple of years ago, and so they were unable to finish this project. However, what they did, they built this because it was their own home, so they built it with intention and heart. Now, something that you have here, the tubes for the plumbing and the electrical are not in the wall. What the muratori, the tradesmen do is they use a hammer and hack away a channel to put the tubes in the walls because the brick is soft. This structure has been done fully legally with permission from the comune and is absolutely done to today's standard, completely up to code, as you will see as we move through this. Now, there's something about this structure that is, quite frankly, truly unique, and that is when you come to Sicily, even with the new homes, the way they build them, they put all these little rooms everywhere, rooms, and frankly, that may not suit your taste. You may be, well, like us, who like that open feel. You know, when we bought Pagliarazzi, we bought a 10-bedroom villa, and we now have only 3 bedrooms in that very same villa. We like open space. If you have not seen that video, go back and check that video out so you understand just how we view things. But If you have vision, you can have an open vaulted ceiling here. And it's brand new, and it is absolutely a glorious space. So here you are looking at all of your olives, and there are about 100 healthy, well-maintained olive trees here. And so you will have a lifetime supply of your healthy extra virgin olive oil. And that is certainly something that's a big plus. That's a big plus. And I'm going to take you over here so you see the view. The view is nothing but private. And the only structure you see at all, well, you'll see it when we get out on the deck. Now here is one of the wells right here. It's working, producing water. You've got your grapes, your figs, plums. There's a lot of fruit trees on the property as well, but they're scattered. They're not laid out like an orchard. The ancient town of Pettineo is right there. And this is the one that has the medieval Norman castle. It's really hard to see because of the lighting. I apologize. But I'm not coming out in the afternoon because it's hot today. Now, here is your terrace. You could put a cover on it and have a covered terrace if you like, but there is a completely covered veranda downstairs underneath this. But this was very well built, as you'll see when we go underneath. Now, it's been waterproofed already. So at this point, it's ready for tile. Now, if you look in the distance there is a beautiful villa. That's the only neighbor around here, and they really can't see you. So, great opportunity, but there is so much more. I want to take you downstairs so you understand the entirety of the opportunity that this property presents. So we are now looking at the underside of the veranda downstairs, and we're going to continue our descent down there. I'm going to start right here with this post. This post is actually a piece of solid laminated beam. It was absolutely not necessary structurally to use this material, but they did. I remember when I built my home on the river in California 20 years ago, it was overkill. I did the very best job with it, and you can see that's what these folks did here too. They planned their future. They had dreams. Now, does this type of property suit your dreams? Look at the structure here of this veranda for us now. It's a terrazzo above. That's where it's waterproof, but it's absolutely beautiful. I haven't seen construction like this in Sicily ever. It's really nice. Now, this was set up as a garage, but frankly, I'd put the garage somewhere else. I'd make a carport, but here is, this is a beautiful opening, and frankly, it would be all glass because then you'd be looking at your beautiful property there. So, it would have to be all glass. Simple as that. But here's the garage. Now, I've got a surprise for you. If you look in here, you see, well, obviously, it's been used for storage, especially during their construction. But I'm going to show you something now that will probably tug on the heartstrings of some of you viewers. And that is this. This was built on the site of an ancient home, and there's your ancient tiles. Now, those tiles are centuries old, custom painted and fired tiles. And so why in the world would you make it a garage? Of course not. This would be a lovely room. And this entire opening here, which is 2 meters wide, I would estimate, would be all glass. So you have a garage downstairs here. Now we're going to go in and see the rest of the house. They actually had finished some of it. By the way, down there is the second well right there, also producing water. abundantly. We are about 1 kilometer away from a world-class archaeological excavation being handled by the University of Palermo, as well as, I believe, Cambridge University. And it is the remains of a city founded by the Greeks in 405 BC. It is open to the public, and who knows what you might find on your own property someday, because no doubt people were living out here 2,500 years ago. Now we're gonna go through here and see the finished space. And they had set this up as a kitchen and bedroom in here. So you do actually have a finished living space in here that you could clean up and move into while you're finishing the project. Something to consider. Now they set this up as a little tiny back kitchen here. Look out the window. More beautiful, beautiful view. And if that's what you choose, that's what I would do. Frankly, I love this little place. Here's your singular bathroom right now, but frankly, you're gonna wanna put 1 or 2 more in here, and this is gonna be a luxury home. A luxury home. Very well done. Here is the bedroom that is finished. So they really had dreams of completing this. They even left the furniture behind, which we can certainly include in the contract. Now, no doubt you have a lot of questions, and I don't blame you, but this is for those who are ready to pull the trigger. If you are seriously shopping and you're ready to take action, we can help you secure this. Imagine getting rid of these iron doors. They could be security doors on the outside if you wanted to lock this up during part of the year. And then, but have glass doors. Lots of glass, lots of light. Why on earth would you ever want to obscure this view? And here is where your swimming pool is going to go.
So what did you think about that property?
Really stunning, isn't it? Can you imagine sitting by your new swimming pool in that property? Well, if you are excited about it, as we are, in fact, if you'd like to move forward with it, please email us right away, because we've been getting a lot of interest. As soon as we publish a video, we get lots and lots of emails. So if you are serious about it, let us know right away. Hey, how about that cool sea breeze today? Isn't that nice?
It feels so good.
Yeah, right. We're, of course, as you know, we're at Pagliarazzi here, so we're right by the Mediterranean, and man, that breeze is a refreshing relief, isn't it?
It is.
Okay, well, thank you very much. Thank you for your many wonderful comments, and we appreciate you viewers very, very much. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so, and we look forward to seeing you again on our next video.
Alla prossima. Ciao.
Ciao.